After a long, stressful day, imagine stepping into your own private sanctuary without even leaving your house. If you're on a quest for that perfect home sauna experience that balances performance with price, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing the Dynamic Barcelona Infrared Sauna. It's making waves in the wellness community for its energy efficiency and compact design. Is this the right fit for your home? Stay tuned for our honest pros and cons breakdown. And remember, you can find this model right now at AnySauna.com. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about how this looks in your home. The Dynamic Barcelona is built from natural Canadian hemlock wood, which not only looks elegant, but holds heat beautifully. Users have even noted that the great wood scent lasts for over a year. It's designed as a 1 to 2 person sauna. While it has a compact footprint perfect for smaller spaces or apartments, the tempered glass door and side window keep the interior feeling open and airy, never claustrophobic. It's a modern touch that really elevates the look of the room. But a sauna is only as good as its heat, right? The Barcelona uses 6 low EMF infrared carbon heating panels. You've got 2 on the rear, 1 on each side, 1 under the bench, and, crucially, 1 on the floor. Why does this matter? These carbon panels distribute heat evenly and penetrate 40% deeper into the skin compared to older ceramic heaters. This boosts detoxification, helps with pain relief, and promotes deep relaxation. Plus, it heats up quickly, so you spend less time waiting and more time relaxing. It typically reaches between 130 and 148 degrees Fahrenheit once fully heated. The experience inside the Barcelona is super user-friendly. You have dual LED control panels, so you can adjust the temperature from inside or outside. For entertainment, there's a built-in music system with Bluetooth speakers. Whether you want an audiobook or calming music, you're set. It also features a Chromotherapy lighting system to set the mood and a roof vent for air circulation. And a quick note on setup. Assembly is simple. With 2 people, it typically takes less than an hour. Just follow the manual or video tutorial and you're good to go. Let's get real with the pros and cons. On the plus side, this unit offers incredible value. You get a 5-year warranty on electronics, efficient carbon heating, and a solid Hemlock build at an affordable price point. However, there are a few trade-offs. There's no radio or salt therapy system included, and no built-in backrest or cup holder. Also, while it fits 2 people, some users note it can feel a bit cramped for taller users. You won't be able to lie down flat in this one. If you need just a bit more space, you might want to check out the Dynamic Venice or Dynamic Vittoria on our site. They share the same heating tech, but offer slightly larger dimensions and extra windows. Overall, the Dynamic Barcelona Sauna is a fantastic choice if you want a high-quality, detoxifying infrared experience without breaking the bank or taking up an entire room. It's efficient, beautiful, and gets the job done. If you're ready to bring the spa home, click the link in the description to check out the current price and full specs at AnySauna.com. Have a question about infrared versus traditional saunas? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more wellness reviews. Thanks for watching and stay healthy.